Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial: how to change your password on Owlet in 2025. If you're a parent using the Owlet Smart Baby Monitor, keeping your account secure is super important, especially with all the new updates this year. Whether you're updating for better security or just forgot your old one, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Owlet app installed on your smartphone. Head over to your App Store, update if needed, and then open the app. Once you're logged in, tap on the menu icon, usually in the top left or right corner. It looks like 3 lines or a hamburger icon. Next, scroll down and select Account Settings or Profile from the drop-down. This is where all your personal info is managed. Now, look for the Security or Password section. It might be labeled as Change Password directly, making things even easier in this 2025 update. When you tap on that, you'll be prompted to enter your current password for verification. That's a smart security feature to prevent unauthorized changes. Type it in carefully, then enter your new password twice to confirm. Remember, for the best protection, use a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Owlet now supports biometric options like fingerprint or Face ID for added convenience, so if you have that set up, you might see an option to enable it here. After you've entered everything, hit Save or Update Password. The app will process it quickly, and you'll get a confirmation message. To make sure it worked, log out and log back in with your new password. If you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check your internet connection or contact Owlet support through the app. And there you have it. Changing your password on Owlet is straightforward and takes less than a minute. Staying secure means peace of mind, especially for your little one's monitoring. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.